Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool one right here. And basically what this is a case for the iPhone 13 or iPhone 13 Pro. So for this case, they actually have it available for a lot of other phones as well, such as the iPhone 13 Pro Max, or even like the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and the list goes on. But first thing first, I'm going to open up the product to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so I'm going to pull this out first. And then right here we have the actual case. Let's take it out. Alright, so when you take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So definitely the case is a crystal clear case, if you can see right here. But I'm actually put it on the phone to show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys have it on. So you basically just want to push it in like this. Clip it in. Alright, so once you guys have it on, this is basically what the product looks like. Definitely looks very nice, if you can see. The one that we got right here is a blue phone, and it goes so well with the clear case. It shows everything on here. You can definitely see the Apple logo right here. You can see the lens right here. So you can definitely see the buttons on this side right here, if you can see. And they have the little logo here. Here's what the bottom part looks like. And here's what it looks like in the front. So you see the way how they designed the case actually looks very nice. Actually really like the design a lot. When you guys feel the button on the side right here, it definitely feels really nice as well. Really sensitive when you guys actually use it. And also when you guys feel the side right here, it actually feels really nice as well. You definitely get a good grip when you guys use it. And the cool thing about this case is the fact that they mentioned how it's anti-yellowing. So over time, when you guys use the case a lot, you don't have to worry about the case getting yellow or whatever. And the way how they designed the case actually has that reinforcement on the corners and throughout the case as well. So that way you guys know your phone is always protected. Also, when you guys look at the front part right here, and also in the back right here, if you guys look really carefully, it's raised just a little bit on the lens part right here to give you guys that extra protection. So if you guys accidentally drop it, you don't have to worry about it. And also for this case, if you guys want to do wireless charging, you definitely can as well. Alright, so we got the case right here. Let's test it out. Alright, so definitely see the wireless charging definitely does work even when you guys put the case on. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now if unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a clear case for your brand new iPhone. So that way you guys can actually show off like your iPhone and everything instead of covering up like the logo and everything. Then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.